Hey there, and welcome to Deckster Academy, where we teach smart people how to make smart presentations. All right, we've all been there. You've got a brilliant idea, though you feel it might be a bit complex to understand.
You don't even know what the thing is yet. Exactly. How big it can get, how far it can go.
And then it dies in a meeting because nobody understood it. Not because it's bad, but because it didn't make sense to your audience. This video, it's about how to fix that. So, what to expect? In this video, we'll hit on why tech presentations flop, how to make them work, and we will give you a repeatable way to pitch ideas people actually understand and say yes to. Why do I think it is worth listening to this video? If you want to succeed, you need your ideas to get approved. If your idea needs approval, it needs understanding, and you get to understanding through clarity. Clarity isn't a soft skill, it's a superpower.
Adapt or die.
So, today's cheat codes for making you a 10 times better presenter. 1. Simplify without dumbing down. 2. Kill the jargon. 3. Tell better stories. 4. Use visuals to make it stick.
I know Kung Fu.
Let me put it straight. Most tech ideas fail not because they're bad, but because they're badly explained. If your audience doesn't get it, they won't greenlight it. Simple as that. Remember Google Glass?
You have glass. Congratulations.
Futuristic tech, but no one knew why they'd want it in 2013. Okay, but how to make it work? 3 words: empathy, clarity, relevance. Start where your audience are. You speak human, not system logs, and you tie it back to outcomes.
So, this amazing little device holds 1,000 songs.
Okay, now before continuing, let's bust a few common myths. 1. Sounding smart doesn't win buy-in, it makes people confused. Being clear does.
Okay. Chris? Damn it. Sorry. This is your basic mortgage bond.
2. More data does not equal stronger idea. Do you remember any numbers from the last presentations you've attended?
Tell me about your progress.
Well, we're in 29 schools now. We got over 75,000 members.
Tell me about the strategy you're using.
3. If they don't get it, it's their fault. Is it? Well, the reality is that if something is confusing, it is, well, confusing. And it's your problem. Let's keep going. Real story. A team pitches infrastructure change with potential to cut costs 10 times. It passed every technical test, but the pitch full of jargon. Execs said no. Same team, 6 months later, same idea. Got approved. Why? Story first and jargon free. In the end, it's about sending the message, not about flashy slides.
It's not about money. It's about sending a message.
So how should it sound then? Let's say you're pitching an internal analytics tool. Don't say API dashboards. Say it's GPS instead of guessing. Boom, they get it. Like when Dropbox explained cloud storage.
You need one place for everything, like a magic pocket.
To recap: 1. Clarity beats complexity. Stories beat dry numbers. 3. Analogies unlock memory. 4. And when you make it about what they care about, you simply win. Before we close, let's take a look at the most common errors. 1. Acronyms. Don't be lazy. Write full words. 2. Talking like it's a code review. Come on, bring some energy. 3. Don't lead with features. Lead with outcomes. Tell how the world will change when your idea is implemented. Got pushback? Suggestions? Drop it in the comments. By the way, everything you just watched, the slides, the flow, even the delivery coaching, it was built entirely in Deckster. Want this for your next pitch? You know what to do.